Okay. What's up, y'all? This is Tyrone Stock Tips, and we are back. It's been a while, but there's a reason it's been a while. Because I went to the U.S., flew to the U.S. from Japan, and then I flew to the Philippines. I'm in the Philippines right now. I showed y'all some footage of the Philippines, and right now I met quite a few people, and I'm quite impressed with the people that I've met. But I'm not here to talk to y'all about that. I'm here to talk to y'all about a term that has been near and dear to my heart, and it's called golden handcuffs, right? So what are golden handcuffs? We're gonna use this example, right? Let's just say golden, everything gold, right? You think of it has value, right? And then handcuffs is meant to hold you back, it's meant to restrain you, right? But I'm referring to golden handcuffs in the sense of working a job in corporate America, right? So in corporate America, they do this thing called golden handcuffs, right? It is designed to sound good to benefit you, but it's actually designed to keep you staying with them, right? So what is an example of golden handcuffs? One example of golden handcuffs is company match, right? Company match to a 401k or to company match to like what is it called? It begins with an R. I'll fill it in, right? So what it is you invest, but you can't access it until like 5 years later, or sometimes you can't access the match until you retire. Because what happens with a 401k, if you retire too early, or if you withdraw the money too early, you face what you call penalties, right? And I'm gonna tell you a simple story that happened to me with this. This is when I heard the term golden handcuffs, and it just so happens that someone tried to sell the idea of a golden handcuff to me, and he didn't think I understood the that it was a sour deal, horrible deal, right? So I played the corporate game where you do things in society. You meet these metrics with the company. You do your job, but you excel at it, right? And then you do the things outside of work, which makes the company look good. Like you may do things that benefit society or some volunteer work. I did all of these things, and when I did all of these things, a guy who was he was like a regional manager. He was like, I wanna sit down and have a talk with you, Tyrone, right? I'm thinking he's like gonna create like some sort of promotion for me or something like that, right? And this was in engineering. In engineering, the simple ladder climb is you get your FE license, EIT license, and after the EIT license, you get your PE license. After you get your PE license, you start going into project management and all of that, right? But at this time, it was too early for me to get my PE license. So I'm thinking, okay, I could get maybe project engineer or some sort of project manager position, or just simply a raise or whatever. So we sat down and had like lunch, and he was talking about like what do you want, Tyrone? What do you want? I was like, to be honest, we're all here to make money to live and thrive and grow, and whether that's societally, experience, position, money. I'm gonna cut to the chase. I wanted more money, right? And his idea of giving me more money was a golden handcuff. What was the golden handcuff? The golden handcuff was, for me, it was an employee-owned company, right? And his idea, which is nothing wrong with this, it's just I was smart enough to not take it. With his idea of me making more money, he was like, well, the more money you put into the company stock, we'll match it, right? I didn't want that company stock. I already, you see, I run a stock market company. At this time, I started understanding the stock market. I was like, I don't need y'all company stock. I know how to invest myself. I need more money for myself to invest in what I want to invest in. And so he was surprised because I had an idea outside of what he wanted me to operate with, right? Here's a story behind that. The CEO of this company, my birthday was like, I think the day of, or like a day, it may have been a day of. The CEO of the company just so happened to visit the company, right? When the CEO of the company visited the company, like this office that I was working in, she decided to take everyone out to lunch because it was my birthday. And she did it because she heard about how hard I was working at the company. So she wanted, she heard about everything that I was doing outside of the company, right? So this was prior. So I'm assuming that he took a liking into me because of that, because the CEO saw something in me, right? And the funny part was the CEO taught me, stop reading self-help books. Experience is more important than reading self-help books. I'll make another video on that. Matter of fact, I did, but you can catch that. But fast forward back to this regional manager, him making that offer, it led me nowhere because he wanted me to continue investing into the company, which it was golden handcuffs, right? So what I'm saying is, if you work for a company and they offer you like this crazy deal, but this deal requires you to stay with the company, it's golden handcuffs. It's never designed to benefit you. It may benefit you a little bit, but it's a benefit to you that forces you to stay there and not take your talents elsewhere. Because that little money that they're gonna give you is not gonna match what you can do by switching to another company or by just investing in yourself. So 401ks, this is not financial advice. You don't have to do that, but 401ks, golden handcuffs, because it comes off as a tax benefit, but it controls your future when you can control your own future, right? So I chose to stay away from 401ks. I chose to stay away from all of the golden handcuffs that require me to stay with a company for 5 years or stops me from retiring early. So if anything you're offered from a company that makes you have to stay there to benefit from it, it's a golden handcuff. It's designed to make you feel happy. It's short-lived, and it's designed to make you stay with the company 3 to 5 years. Sometimes it's designed to make you keep working until you retire. Scrap that, right? If you're looking to quit early, avoid golden handcuffs, avoid 401ks, do your own brokerage accounts, because that 6% match, it's not going to equal that. Like, say you're able to put in, I don't know, 20K, right? Let's say you killed all of your student loan debt, you don't have any debt, and let's say you make 60K a year, right? Let's say you lose, I don't know, 11K in taxes, and you got 50K left. You don't have any debt, but you could invest 20K after you paid all your bills. That 20K per year, invested into the market, you're gonna become a millionaire because, one, there's no limit on what you can invest, and then two, you can take it out whenever you want, right? And then if you do what I'm doing, where you taking the money out in another country that's cheaper, now that money that you've grown, now you're taking it out at a cheaper price. So you tell me what type of golden handcuffs you've been offered, that you've taken, that you wish you wouldn't have taken. Leave it in the comments. Share this to anyone. By the way, I do teach people how to I don't give financial advice. I only provide financial education. If you want to learn how to escape the rat race, which is working in corporate America, hit me up. Go to my Calendly. If you want to purchase merchandise, TyroneStockShop.com. You can purchase merchandise. I got the hats, the shirts, embroidered, t-shirt embroidered. If you want to figure that out, if you want to buy from that, Tyrone Stock Shop. Until then, I'll see y'all next time. I'm going to give y'all some B-roll footage, whether it's throughout this video or before or after. so you can see the life that I'm living. You want to live the life that I'm living? I teach you how to do that. So I'm in the Philippines right now. I'm loving it. I've only been here for about 2-3 days. I'm going to be here for a while. The next place I'm going after this is not back to Japan. It's going to be to another country. Y'all see that later. So until next time, peace, 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 peace. Love y'all. Peace.